In this section, I'll describe how to find your Gen5 image library, or the location where your raw TIFF files are saved, and how to move that location. It's important to note that the first time you install Gen5 and connect an imager, it will prompt you for a location for the Gen5 image library. If you've forgotten where that file is located or want to move it, you'll have to go into Gen5. So the first thing I'll do is open the software, close the task manager, and navigate up here to the System menu. Choose Preferences, and then Image Save Options. At the top, you'll see the path name for the current location of your Gen5 image library. If you want to change that, simply press the Browse button and select a different folder on your hard drive. In this example, I'll just choose this image library folder in the C directory. When choosing a location for the Gen5 image library, it's important to choose a location that's close to the root of the directory. This avoids any problems that can occur with Windows path length limitations. So when Gen5 saves images, it creates an experiment folder, and within that folder, it creates plate folders. Your images themselves will be saved within these plate folders. Each one of these two folder types has a naming convention associated with it that can be modified. If you'd like to use a different tag than the defaults, simply click the arrow over here and select the tag you'd like to include in your naming convention. You can also change the naming convention for the image file names themselves. So here you can see we're including information such as the well location and channel, but you have other options to choose from by clicking this arrow here. Additionally, be careful if you decide to place your Gen5 image library on an external drive. If this drive is removed from the computer or not present when you go to image, Gen5 will not be able to save those images.